Ever wondered where money hides on the internet? Ever felt like you're missing out on opportunities? Well, you're not alone. The digital world is a vast ocean teeming with potential, yet finding the right spots to fish can be daunting. Knowing where to look is an essential step towards achieving your financial goals. It's about time we uncover these hidden treasures. There's no need to worry. We've got the top 10 hot places where money hides on the internet. First up, we have online marketplaces, freelance platforms, and social media sites. Online marketplaces are like virtual shopping centers teeming with potential customers. Freelance platforms, on the other hand, connect you to clients in need of your skills. Lastly, social media sites aren't just for fun, they're also a goldmine for businesses. These platforms are accessible, versatile, and can be a source of substantial income if navigated wisely. Remember, these places are just the tip of the iceberg. There's much more to uncover. Next, we have online tutoring platforms, content creation sites, and affiliate marketing networks. These digital gold mines are ripe with opportunities. Imagine sharing your expertise through tutoring, or crafting engaging content that draws the masses. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a tidy sum just by promoting products you love. These platforms not only offer financial gains but also provide flexibility, independence, and the power of creative control. Impressive, isn't it? But hang on, the best is yet to come. Moving on, we explore the world of stock photography, online gaming, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. Stock photography websites are a goldmine for photographers, and online gaming can be monetized through streaming services and game testing. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, on the other hand, allow you to earn interest by lending your money to others. These platforms are not just lucrative, but they're also flexible and can be accessed right from your smartphone. As you can see, the internet is teeming with opportunities, but we're not done yet. And finally, we have e-commerce platforms. This is where the magic happens, where the world comes to shop. These platforms have revolutionized the way we buy and sell goods, making it possible for anyone to run a successful online business from the comfort of their own home. What makes e-commerce platforms so exciting is their accessibility and potential for profit. With a good product and a well-optimized store, you can reach millions of customers worldwide. And the best part, you don't need a physical storefront or a massive inventory to start. Some of the benefits of using e-commerce platforms include a wider customer reach, lower startup costs, and the ability to operate 24/7. These platforms also offer a variety of tools and resources to help you succeed, such as marketing and analytics tools, customer support, and secure payment gateways. We've explored 10 hot places where money hides on the internet. All these platforms are smartphone friendly and ready to help you achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and stay tuned for more insights.